The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical forest on Earth. A place where life exists at every level. From the forest floor to the towering canopy above. More species live here than anywhere else on Earth. It is home to over 1 million species. In these jungles, silence doesn't exist. Every sound means something. A call, a warning, or a hunt. But the most dangerous creatures are the ones you never see. Hidden in the dense vegetation are predators, snakes, jaguars, and insects that blend perfectly into their surroundings. Yet the Amazon is not only danger. The Amazon produces around 20% of the planet's oxygen. The area of the Amazon forest, the largest tropical forest in the world, is approximately 6.9 million square kilometers. It is beauty. Vibrant birds, rare plants, and a delicate balance that sustains life across the planet. The Amazon is home to up to 80,000 plant species, many of which remain poorly understood and are threatened with extinction.